trippin', going places you've never been. It's your revolution. Show off your flagship, 'cause we are capable of more things, stronger together. This is what we're made of.
A voice that always says, give it a go.
realize now, I take it, it's all over now. Damn, I gotta move on, away from my comfort zone. Yeah, I gotta stay strong, even if my wounds open and show. Yeah, I gotta live on for the present, know that everything will be okay, just fine. I can't take this pill, not any longer. Yeah, I'm just acting tough, I'm nowhere strong enough. When I see you smile, that's just some torture. Every time I think about you, girl, the pain is optional. 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 Cause I'ma say nothing is wrong. Smile on my face, but dead in my core. We were in deep, now we're back at the shore. Stayed together without a doubt. We knew each other both inside and out. I wonder every day how it became like this. Not wishing in life there was a redo switch. Used to read me like a cheat sheet on a low week. Make me feel weak on my knees when we split. Down, we were going for the long term. How did that go? Let him get it burned. How did we quit? How to admit? But sadly that'd be the end of the script. And now damn, I gotta move on, away from my comfort zone. Yeah, I gotta stay strong, even if my wounds open.
Instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. 9 to 5, we're all on the hustle. We wanna get away. Another day of beg, steal and borrow, and that is safe to say. No, they don't pick us up. Way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. Hey. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run. Do it for fun.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You.
Sit down, be quiet. They usually say, do this, do that, grow up, be nice and behave. But I've never wanted to be like them. Monday to Friday, that's just nothing for me. We've got a life to live, so please don't waste my time. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, not here now. Forget your troubles.